Once upon a sunny morning, a little girl named Lily skipped through her garden with her tiny puppy, Max. Ever dreamed of creating amazing 3D animated story videos like this one? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to bring your stories to life in full 3D for absolutely zero cost. Let's get started. Open ChatGPT and type here, "Give me a short story on title A Cute Little Girl with Her Puppy." If you do not have the story title, then simply search "Give me some creative ideas for kids' stories." Then choose any title of your choice. Okay, so here is the story script. Now search "Give me image prompts for each scene of the above story." Okay, so here are the prompts for creating images.
Now we need images for the story. So for that, go to Canva, click on Canva AI, then click on Images. Now go to ChatGPT and copy your image prompt and paste it here. So I'm going to write the style here that is 3D animated style. And you can also select style from here. And from here, you can select the aspect ratio. Canva will create 4 image variations, so you can pick the one you like best. Now preview the images. The images quality are just perfect. Now again, copy the prompt and paste it here. Again, I add the style. And there's one thing important, that for similar character, you have to add character's description in each image prompt. So simply add this. So here are the results. You can see the result is quite similar to the previous one. Download the image you like.
So follow the same process and create all your images for the story. Here, you can see that I create all the images. We'll be animating them soon, but before that, let's generate the voiceover for the narration first. So for the voiceover, I will be using Google Studio AI. Search Google Studio AI and click on this first link. Then, click on Get Started and select Generate Native Speech with Gemini. From here, select the single speaker audio. And here, you have a variety of voices. So listen all these voices and then select one of your own choice. Okay, so after selecting the voice, simply copy your story script and paste it here. Then click on Run, and here is your story voiceover. Once upon a sunny morning, a little girl named Lily skipped through her garden with her tiny puppy, Mac. Okay, now from here, download the audio. All right, here's the fun part, animating the images. We'll be using a free website called Grok, so search Grok and open this first link. First, sign up with your Google account. Okay, after logged in, this interface will appear on your screen. From here, upload the image. Then, click on Edit Image. Here you can see some more options, but we are making video, so click on Make Video. All right, it's done. Look at that. The result is really impressive. Can you believe we animated this image without using any command prompt? And it still turned out amazing. Plus, it even came with background music. Okay, so download the video from here. Again, upload the image. Click on Edit Image. Now make video. And here is the result. You can also give it a prompt. Copy the image prompt and paste here. Or you can write your own prompt.
And this is the second result.
Incredible. So follow the same process and create all the videos. Now that everything's ready, let's bring it all together. We'll be using CapCut for this part. I've already got everything imported and ready to go. So simply drag the videos one by one and also add the audio. Let me adjust the video clips with the audio. All right, so our video is ready. You can add transitions and some effects if you want. I just add auto captions. Okay, so here is the final result.
Once upon a sunny morning, a little girl named Lily skipped through her garden with her tiny puppy, Max. Max had floppy ears and a tail that wagged faster than the wind. Lily loved to dress him in tiny bows and whispered secrets into his soft fur. They chased butterflies, rolled on the grass, and shared cookies under the old oak tree. One day, Lily tripped while running. Before she could cry, Max gently nudged her hand and licked her cheek. Her tears turned into laughter again. From that day on, Lily always said, "Max isn't just my puppy, he's my best friend." And Max wagged his tail as if to say, "Always."
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.